In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a drop-down list in your Zoho Sheet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've got my Zoho Sheet open like so, and say if I want to create a drop-down list in here. So with my status, I want to have cleared, pending, and declined as drop down options. So I'm just going to add in decline here. So what I want to do is just go ahead and click onto cleared here like so, and then I want to click onto insert, and then I want to click onto pick list, and now to the right you can see our pick list. Now we've got the option for single select or multi-select. I'm going to go ahead and choose. Now I'm just going to create this as single list. Type is going to be list. Now from here I've already got cleared added in. So I want to go ahead and click on add new. The next one's going to be called pending, and then add a new one, and this one's going to be declined like so. Now we can go ahead and change the colors. So I'm going to click on the cleared, and then we can change the color. So I'm going to have a green color for that. Pending, I can do say orange, and then declined, probably guess what I'm going to say is red. So you can see the three different color options. Now if we go ahead and scroll down, we got option to display a drop down icon in the cell. We can enable that or disable it. I'm going to click on create. So if I go in and click onto here, click onto that, I can go ahead and change that to pending, declined, etc. Now what I can do is just kind of control C and make this one all the same. Now if I want to go and change that cleared, and declined, can do so like that. So that's the quickest way how to add a drop down list in your Zoho Sheet.